In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Steam Trade URL step by step. Your Steam Trade URL allows other users and the third-party trading websites to send you trade offers directly without needing to add you as a friend. This is extremely useful if you trade skins, items, or collectibles in games like CS2, Dota 2, or Team Fortress 2. The good news is that creating your Steam Trade URL only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can find and copy it quickly. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Steam and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Steam application on your computer and log into your account if you aren't already logged in. Once Steam loads, look toward the top of the window where you'll see your profile name. Click on your profile name and then select Inventory from the drop-down menu. This will open the page that shows all of the items you own across your Steam games. On the right side of the inventory page, you'll see an option called Trade Offers. Go ahead and click Trade Offers to open the trading section of Steam. Once the Trade Offers page loads, look for the option that says Who can send me trade offers? Click that option to open the trade privacy settings. Now scroll down the page until you reach the section labeled Third-Party Sites. In this section, Steam will automatically generate your personal trade URL. This is the link that allows other users or trading websites to send you item offers directly to your account. Simply click the URL and copy it. You can now paste this link anywhere you need it, such as trading platforms, giveaway sites, or when sending your trade link to another player. Keep in mind that you should only share your trade URL with trusted websites and users to keep your account secure. And that's it. You've successfully created and copied your Steam Trade URL. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy Steam guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.